Hey you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Devyani Sonwane, and if you're new here, please subscribe below. It will really mean a lot to me. So today's video is DIY cinched tops, and I got this idea because I usually wanted to try cinched tops, and they were not available at all. And if they do, they were like really expensive, like above 1000 rupees and etc. So that's why I thought of making this video for you guys, and I literally made one cinched top in 150 rupees, not more than that. So I think it's a pretty good DIY project, and if I can do it, you can do it too, guys. Trust me on this. I am not expert, I don't know stitching, and the showstopper of this video is this. It's a Fevicryl fabric glue, which is only cost 35 rupees, and for this whole project I literally used this much. So I think this one is like really good, and the tops turned super amazing, and I really can't wait to share with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So all you need is glue. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below. Scissors to cut fabric, pencil to draw lines. Glue gun is totally optional. Thread and needle is also optional, and some t-shirts. So this is how my first t-shirt looks. So boring, right? Let's change it. So I'm gonna use my tube top for reference and draw lines using pencil and cut the t-shirt as shown. Next I'm gonna turn the top inside out, and I'm gonna glue the hem. Next I'm going to glue the ends of the t-shirt. So I'm using glue gun here, but trust me on this, fabric glue was more efficient than the glue gun. I ended up using fabric glue. So yeah, and I'm gonna give the link in the description box below. I bought it for 130 rupees from Amazon. It came with pack of 4 of fabric glue. So you guys can check that out. So next I'm going to cut 2 stripes using the remaining fabric of the t-shirt. Next, I'm going to mark 2 points as shown. And on these 2 marked points, I'm going to stick these 2 stripes. I'm going to glue the middle part first and let it dry for a while, and then I'm going to glue the ends of the stripes. Next I'm going to cut 2 stripes, and I'm going to keep them infinite, and keep one thing in mind, जितना ज़्यादा thin आपका stripe रहेगा उतना ज़्यादा ही thin आपका strap आएगा. And next I am stretching them so they will not look raw and it will look like a strap. So that's the trick here. Next, I'm going to cut the one end of the infinite stripe, and I will glue the one end which is not cut on the back of the top. Next, I made sure the glue is dried and I inserted the strap. This second top I bought it from Ajio because of its drawstring, and it is for 150 bucks. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below. And I already removed the drawstrings and I'm going to fold it from the middle and I'm going to cut it. Next, I'm going to draw a triangle from center to shoulder and I'm going to cut it. Next, I'm gluing the edges of the t-shirt where I made the cut, and I'm leaving some space so our drawstring will go through it. Next, I'm stitching the center part where I made the cut, and I am actually stitching it because I wanted it to be like really secure. So yeah, you can totally glue it. It's as per your wish and it's as per your comfort. Then I inserted the drawstring with the help of safety pin. I also glued the raw edges. So next step is totally up to you. I wanted a triangle neck, so I went ahead and cut the triangle. So this one is also similar to last one. So I'm using my tube top for reference and I'm leaving extra fabric just in case I messed up. So next I stitch the edges of the top, and I'm not good at stitching, you guys, as you can see my poor stitching skills, and I did not even had the matching thread because of the lockdown, but I went ahead with the black one. So yeah. Next I glued the edges of the top. So fold the top as shown. Then I glued the stripe using the same method. I glued the center first and then edges last. Did the same for the other side too. Then I cut the drawstring into half so that I can have the drawstring for both the sides. Then I inserted the drawstring. So that's it for today, you guys. I really had fun making this video. I really like DIY projects, and if you try this DIY, let me know, send me your pictures or tag me. I will be really happy to see them. And yeah, that's it for today, you guys. If you like the video, hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe. Help your girl out here. And yeah, for now, bye. See you in the next video.